I'd left the camera where I had it, I probably would have seen that, and that was completely unexpected. I love the unexpected ones. I don't know if y'all can tell. Let me try to give y'all a better visual. So, big block of Select Cut. Probably got cut 5 or 6 years ago. I don't know. Power line's behind me. A little bit nicer Select Cut on the behind that. This joker's roosted right on the edge of this branch. I don't know if you can hear it, but we had a bunch of rain yesterday, and it's flowing pretty good. It's pretty loud. That's why it's more open down there on that branch. I noticed the other day when I came over here mid-morning. It's a little more open, but I can't hear. Turned out I can't hear anyway because of the traffic. Guy's about to go again. Man, what a good morning. I told my wife, baby, I ain't coming home till something dies. And boy, we get lucky today. He's a nice turkey. Real nice turkey. Real nice. Damn, this was a good one. Oh, man. Anyways, I cut the camera on. And I got close to where I wanted to be to make a move. And I can't make a move because Select Cut pines that I don't know my way around. And they're thick. I found that out the other day. They are thick, thick, thick. So what this joker was doing, roosted about a $1.25, $1.50, and some nasty, thick Select Cut pines. Much less strutting in the middle of them on a wet morning. I mean, does he not think about coyotes? Or me? Well, you could slip through here and not make a sound. It's wet right now, real bad. Yeah. What this joker was thinking, I don't know. I guess he thought there was a hen out here that homeboy up there might beat him to, or homeboy over there might beat him to, and that's kind of why I chose this. I kind of chose this line on this turkey. You know, I came in from the power lines, and I could have went this way, or even chose those two turkeys, but getting in the middle of them, I kind of wanted to play off of them. Because I mean, I know those two turkeys knew this one back here, so I kind of half expected to get snuck in on from my backside, if anything. Or maybe this one down here, but I feel like I would have been able to get a shot on this one. But yeah, that's what I wanted to do. That's kind of what I thought about walking in here. Get in between these turkeys. Go for this middle one. That's the one I'm calling to. He's the closest one to me. Let this turkey that I'm calling to hear these two turkeys gobbling, and hopefully that'll entice him to come in here. And I guess that's what happened. I guess it worked. I don't know. Nice spurs on him. Real nice spurs. About an 8-inch beard. Anyway, it's 7:48. I shot him about 15 minutes ago. I'm just gonna hang tight, hang out. I got nowhere to be, no place to go. So I'm gonna hang out with this turkey. I'm gonna have me some water, and be about it. Appreciate you guys watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Sorry, I know I'm a pretty terrible cameraman. You know, I know y'all are hoping for that super cinematic shot, but unfortunately, that's just. I mean, I gotta get stupid lucky for it to work out like that. But that's why I got this good old gun barrel camera right here, kind of pick up the slack when I'm slacking. I just try to point that camera in the direction I think that turkey might come from. Either he's going to or he's not. And unfortunately, in this case, I moved it out of frame. That's all right though. I appreciate you guys watching, being patient with me. Hope you get something out of this. I hope you enjoy watching it. And we'll see you next time.